Yes. Excuse me, sir.
Doomsday. Even a name has a poetic ring. Don't you think, Snively?
Very poetic, sir, but...
It won't be long now, Snively, when we will receive my poetry in motion. Doomsday will finish the job I started during the coup. Before that miserable hedgehog came along!
Yes, sir, but...
Sometimes my brilliance amazes even me. Don't you agree, Snively?
Oh, yes, sir, but...
What?
The wolf pack, sir. They've sabotaged the test bug.
They what?
Yes, sir. Read it for yourself.
I'm going to annihilate those miserable beasts. Put up the surveillance tape. What's the damage?
Minimal, sir. Engineering says it can be back online in 6 hours.
Then get out there, Snively, and make it happen.
Yes, sir. Oh, boy, I'd like to get your nose in a vice someday.
Stop grumbling and find those wolves.
Yo, Nicole, is this it?
Magnifying my main sonic. Information on Great Unknown is limited. Area relatively uncharted.
Whoa, that's some serious collecting.
Lupe, does this still work?
Unfortunately, no. No prob. Sal can fix it. She can fix anything.
How long?
I can't say, sir.
You can't say. What do you mean you can't?
Snively,
Oh, hello, sir.
when will the test plot be back online?
Oh, any minute now, sir.
And what of the wolves?
The wolves? Yeah, well, sir, they've disappeared.
No, Snively, they just outsmarted you. Now, I strongly suggest that you use your pointed little head and fight them! Do I make myself clear?
Very clear, sir. Computer damage report!
Damage minimal. All systems fully operational.
I hate when that happens. Switch to full power! I hate my life. All right, you freedom fighters. Come on and show yourselves, you little...
Snively!
Yes, sir?
The wolves, Snively!
The wolves! Oh, yes, sir. I had them in my sights, sir. But you see, the hedgehog interfered, and I...
The hedgehogs with the wolf pack? Send me your surveillance tapes, now!
Send your surveillance tapes. Now!
Snively,
Sir?
have you noticed there are caves along the top of the canyon wall, but not on ground level?
Oh, yes, sir.
What does that tell you?
That the wolves used to be very tall.
It means they're camouflaging the lower entrances. Find them!